Good morning, dear children. Welcome to BNCBSE English online class. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine, my dear children. Yes, so children, have you all completed your worksheets of chapter 1 and 2? Yes, my dear children, if so, don't forget to send the snapshot to me. And children, I shared the answer in the group. Okay, the last day I shared the answer, the day before yesterday. Okay, so don't forget to check your answers. Okay, dear children. Yes, so children, today we are going to enter into new chapter, that is chapter 3. Okay, at first we are going to learn a story. Yes, so you know the title of the story? Ponting likes counting. So what's the title of the story? All of you read. Ponting likes counting. Okay, so it's given in the page numbers from 39 to 41. Okay, dear children. Yes. Okay, so 42, in page number 42 you can find the book back exercise. Okay, dear children. Yes, so now all of you take page number 39. So before we read the story, we want to look at the pictures and write their names. Okay, you are given 4 pictures there. You are going to give me the names of that given pictures. Okay, yes, what's the name of this? Yes, fish. All of you say fish. F-I-S-H, fish, isn't it? And the second picture, apple. Spell it A-P-P-L-E, apple, isn't it? And the third one, what's this? Bag. Very good. B-A-J, bag. And the last one, it's a gift, isn't it? So all of you write there G-I-F-T, gift. So have you all written? Yes, that's good, my dear children. After writing this, don't forget to color these 4 pictures. Okay? Okay. So children, below this picture, you are given like, there are many things around us. We keep counting. Yes or no? If your father gives you some chocolates, you start counting it. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, I get 5 chocolates from my father. You say this, isn't it? Then, if your father gives some chocolates to your sibling, you start counting that also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you get more chocolate than me, isn't it? So this is how every day we count in our day-to-day life, isn't it, dear children? So here, children, you have a book on the table. How many books? A book. How many books? A book. Not a books. Not books. A book. So, all of you count? Only one book. So children, if a thing is only one, that is called a singular. S-I-N-G-U-L-A-R, singular. Okay, dear children, if there is only one thing, it is called a singular. And move on to next one. But you have many books. Many books in your bag. So let's count the books given here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many books are there? Many books. So this is called as plural, my dear children. What is that? Plural. P-L-U-R-A-L. Plural. Okay, dear children. So here, a book. What's the difference between a book and many books? Okay, so a means singular. Okay, so a book. So many books. Why you add yes here? Because it's plural. So children, if you want to write the plural form of any singular form, you should add yes there. Okay? Yes, don't forget this. Okay, dear children? Yes. Now, the story makes you find out how can you write the plural forms of some nouns. Okay, dear children? So now we are going to read the story. After reading the story, you should know that how you write some plural forms of some nouns. Okay, dear children? Yes. The first line, Ponting. All of you take page number 40 now. Yes. Ponting. Who is Ponting? A lovely little duckling. So who is Ponting? A lovely little duckling. Where is the Ponting here? Yes, this is Ponting, isn't it? Who is Ponting? A lovely little duckling. What is it doing there? It's swimming, isn't it, dear children? Yes. So one day, children. So before that, it loved counting. So what did it love? It loved counting. Okay, it loved to count. It always counts. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So what are the things it sees on its way? It always counts. Okay, dear children. Yes, okay. So one day when it was swimming, it started counting a lot of things that were around the pond. So when it was swimming on the pond, it started counting a lot of things. Okay, dear children. Now let's see what are the things it was counting. Okay, so the first it counted 2 webbed feet. It counting like 1, 2. So this duckling, it has 2 webbed feet, isn't it? Its feet look like this, isn't it? Yes, let me draw once again. The feet, webbed feet. Yes, webbed feet look like this. So children, this is plural because more than 1 feet, isn't it? Yes. So what's the singular form of this? Foot. What's the singular form of this? Foot. Okay, so more than 1 foot is there, so that's why it called feet. So singular foot, plural feet. Don't forget, okay, dear children. Yes, and then it said 1 2 3. So now how many birds on the tree? 3 birds, isn't it? 1 2 3. Okay, and again it started counting. There were 4 butterflies near the pond. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what's the singular form of butterflies? Yes, children, what's the singular form of butterflies? B U T T E R F L Y, butterfly, isn't it, dear children? So look at the ending of this butterfly. What's the letter there at the end? Y, isn't it? But look at the plural form. What is there? After L we have IES, isn't it? So children, if any word ends with Y, if you want to write the plural form of that, instead of this Y, you should add IES. What do you add? IES. So see here, BUTTERFL. So here also BUTTERFL. So instead of this Y, we add IES. Okay, do you understand, my dear children? Yes, that's good. Okay, then let's move on to next one. Okay, so look here, 5 goldfish in the font. So the duckling said 1 2 3 4 5. So now how many fish are there? Yes, 5 goldfish. So let me say that, children, the singular and the plural form of fish are same, similar. Okay, no need to add yes or any other thing because the singular also is fish and the plural form also is fish. Okay, dear children, yes. And then grasshopper. So grasshopper, it hops with 6 legs. So how many legs a grasshopper has? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and similarly an ant also has 6 legs. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, isn't it? Yes. So children, plural form legs. So the singular form LEG. You should not add yes for singular. You should add yes for plural. Okay, dear children. Yes. Then the next para. So one day it went walking around the farmyard. So it was walking at the farmyard. Okay. When it was walking, it found 7 puppies and mother dog. So what did it find? 7 puppies and mother dog, isn't it? So are you ready to count the puppies with me? Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, dear children, so here My dear children, can you give the singular form of these puppies? If there is a one puppy. Yes, I said the answer. Okay, what's the spelling of, sorry, P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. So this puppy, this singular form, this ends with Y. Yes, now all of you look at the plural form. It ends with IES, Y. Because instead of Y, we have written IE. Yes, now do you understand? It's like butterfly. Okay, so my dear children, singular words that end with Y, it carry IES when it was written as plural form. Okay, when you write the plural form of a singular word that end with Y, you should add IES at the end of the plural form. Okay, yes, then let's move on to next one. Yes, children, 8-legged spider. So how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many legs are there? 8 legs. So this is singular or plural? Plural. Why? Because it carries S with it, isn't it? Yeah. So what's the singular form? Leg. Isn't it, dear children? Yes. And then 9 flowers in the bushes. So it's keep on counting. Okay, keep on counting whatever it saw on its way. Okay, dear children, so when you are watching this video, you count how many flowers here. Okay, just pause the video and count. Okay, dear children. Yes, then let's move on to next page. So before that, it saw a lovely caterpillar with 10 bright dots. So this also, children, you count whether there is 10 bright dots are there or not. Okay, dear children. Yes. Okay, so then this Ponting, it did not tired. It was not tired. Okay, one day it went for a morning walk. So where did it go one day? It went for a morning walk. So on its way, it saw a mother ladybird with 6 dots. So all of you count this. Okay, so mother ladybird with 6 dots. Okay, this mother ladybird is walking on the leaf. Okay, dear children, with its little babies. Okay, so these little babies, each little ladybird have 2 dots. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So totally it has 10 dots. Okay, dear children. So it counts that. Who counts? Yes, this little beauty, lovely duckling. It was counting. Okay, dear children. Yes. Then few hours later, okay, after some hours, it counted again. It stopped his morning walk and was standing there. Okay, dear children. At that time, this mother ladybird again, it was coming. So on that time, it started counting again. Okay, dear children, but it find only 8 dots. Okay, only 8 dots because there are only 4 little babies. One is missing. Okay, so there should be 10 dots, isn't it? But here only 8 dots are there. So the 2 dots, they are missing. Okay, so the duckling went to the mother and said that 2 dots are missing. So when they were searching the little ladybird, so it was there inside a thick bush. Okay, sorry, thick bush. Okay, dear children. Then this mother ladybird thanked the little duckling. Okay, then it told her to children, yes, it told her children that counting was useful. Yes, so it was useful to find its little baby, isn't it? So that's why the mother ladybird said her children counting was very useful and thanked the beauty duckling. Okay, dear children, the story ends here. Okay. Yes, now there are some questions. Okay, page number 40, you can find the question. What did Ponting see in the farmyard? Yes, birds, goldfish, mother dog with 7 puppies. So, it was walking at the farmyard one day, isn't it? At that time, did it saw birds or goldfish? No, it's around the pond, isn't it? So what's the correct answer? What did it see at the farmyard? Yes, mother dog with 7 puppies. Very good, my dear children. And page number 41, you are having the question. Which of these animals or birds did Ponting not see? Okay, did Ponting not see? Okay, so the first one, caterpillar. Ponting sees it or not? Yes. And then dog. Yet it sees in the farmyard, isn't it? Yes. And then swan. It sees? No, isn't it? So Ponting, it did not see swan. So all of you write here S-W-A-N, swan. So have you all written? Yes. Okay, children. Then synonyms are there. Quickly we learn some synonyms. First one, hop. Hop. All of you repeat with me. Hop. Jump. Hop. Jump. So hop means jump. Okay. Yes. Then dots. Dots. Yes, the caterpillar, they are having dark spots. Dots are there, isn't it? Yes. So dots, dark spots. So what does it mean? Dots, dark spots. Okay. Then stroll. Stroll. Ladybird, they are walking. Ladybirds are walking, isn't it? Yes, that is stroll. Walking. Walk. Stroll. Walk. Okay. And then felt. Thought. Felt. Thought. Then missing. Who was missing there? A little ladybird. A little baby, isn't it? Yes. So missing. Lost or absent. Lost. Okay, dear children. And then bush. Bush. The lost ladybird. The lost little baby ladybird. It was there inside the bush, isn't it? So what is a bush? It's a thick plant. Okay. Or shrub. You can say shrub. Bush. Shrub. Thick plant. Okay, dear children. Yes. Now let's move on to antonyms. That is opposite words. Okay. Yes. Love. Hate. Love. Hate. Wrong. Right. Wrong. Right. Wrong. Right. Isn't it? Then quickly. Slowly. So quickly means fast. Very fast. Isn't it? Slowly. It walks like a tortoise. Isn't it? Yes. Quickly. Quickly. Slowly. Slowly. Okay. Yes, dear children. And then lost. Lost. Missing. Lost. Found. You find it. Okay. Lost. Found. Then inside. Inside. Outside. So here this is a box. This is inside the box. This is outside the box. Isn't it? Inside. Outside. Inside. Outside. Useful. Useful. Counting was useful. Okay. So what's the opposite word? What's the antonym for useful? Useless. Useful. Useless. Isn't it? Okay. As children, let's wind up our class here, and your homework is question 1 and question 2 that are given in page number 42. Okay, children, read the story once again to fill these columns up. Okay, dear children, read the story thoroughly and then write question 1 and question 2. Okay, so till we meet in our next class, bye for now. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, my dear children.